Besties, the storm didn't hit us. And when I tell y'all, me and my baby were ready, we were prepared. Emotionally, spiritually, mentally booked for a snow day. I was already planning the cozy vibes, hot food, pajamas all day, no responsibilities. I love the snow. Well, I miss it. At least I miss it until I have to drive in it, or shovel it, or slip on ice like I'm in the cartoon. But this snow, the imaginary one, the one they promised us, yeah, I wanted that one. Instead, we woke up to regular life, no flakes, no drama, just vibes that didn't commit. And now I gotta cook, clean, and homeschool like the weather didn't just lie to my face. Anyway, I'm still romanticizing the chaos, even if the storm stood us up. Chaos. And it's calm right now. So I'll see y'all in the chaos tomorrow.